Get up. I know it hurts. I know you're tired. I know something inside you feels like it's been dragged through fire. But hear me. This is not where you break. This is where you harden. First, you suffer. Then you steel yourself. And only then you rise. You thought this pain came to defeat you? No. It came as a battle cry, a war drum in the dark, a fist pounding the inner gate saying, "Wake up!" Not for them, not for the ones who left, not for the ones who judged you, not for the ones who watched you bleed and still called you weak. Wake up for you. Because you have bowed to the wound long enough. You have let the past command your name long enough. You have carried shame that was never yours long enough. 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 Stand up inside yourself. Set your feet like a soldier. Let the pain strike the false ground beneath. Let it tear away the mask. Let it break the illusion. Let it drag you out of the grave you kept bleeding in. You are not the wound. You are the one who endured it. You are not the pain. You are the one who survived it. That is awakening. The moment you stop calling the wound your name, the moment you stop letting the past command your future, the moment you look at what tried to bury you and say, "You do not own me anymore." And from there, you rise. Not by fleeing the battlefield, not by pretending the blood was never spilled. No, you rise by returning fully to the present, armored in clarity, unburdened by the past, undistracted by illusion, unmoved by fear, unchained from the ego's hunger for control. You stop living as the story. You begin living as the soul. Stop living as the wound. You begin standing as the witness. The pain did not break you. It forged the blade. So get up. Get